Just got this package. I don't know how to pronounce this. OZIENO. And I think they misspelled this. Made to Palais. Rule the game. It's supposed to be PLAY. But, yes, typos. Typos happen all the time, I guess. I think I saw this on Amazon, how you're supposed to do it. Just don't even need a damn thing. This is wired, the wire connection. Wired. This is the charger. USB-C, USB-A to USB-C. This is how you connect it wirelessly. I think I saw it on Amazon. Somebody was using it. You plug this into your game, and you plug this into the charging port / connector port on the things. So charger port is right here. So I think you put it like this. It's like that. And then you turn them on. I think it's right here. Right here. Okay. Hold up. Oh, okay. Get them out of there. Put that back in there. Why they're not turning on? Okay. There you go. They light up. Thank you. There's the mic right here. Oh yeah, this like some Call of Duty shit right here. I like these. I like this. It's a little connector piece. So I guess you plug it in and so I'm guessing you plug this in right here to the connector thing. And this connects to, you put this in the game and it connects to the thing, I'm guessing. I tried out. I tested out for y'all. See what's going on. You can also switch the piece right here. Right here. You see it's on 2.4 gigahertz, I think. You can also switch this piece up to Bluetooth. See, it said Bluetooth mode. adaptive mode. So you can switch them. You can switch these things. So it's a Bluetooth earphones. You can use it for your phone, tablet, anything like that. So put the mic up, and it got the little. You put the mic up. You're not in use. If you want to use it in Bluetooth mode, you put the mic up. It goes into this little slit right here. See where my finger is? Goes up into this little slit right here. So, you know, it's cool. I'll try it out, test it out for y'all. Give it a rating. Style on these with the lights and everything and the way the mic comes out. I'll rate these probably like a 7 out of 10. It looks good, so that's why I bought it. Plus, I don't want to have these wired ones anymore. The ones that I already have. I'm probably gonna give that to my little brother when I see him in a few days. So yeah. I don't know, man. This was a review, an unboxing of these OZIENO headphones, gaming headphones, Bluetooth headphones, whatever you want to call them, because you could connect it to your phone. You connect it to your phone, your tablet, your laptop, your Switch, your PS4, PS5, and your PC. And with the 2.4 gigahertz mode, you have ultra low latency. Enjoy an immersive lag-free wireless gaming experience. Powerful pro audio, high precision 50mm driver for enhanced sensitivity and clear 3D stereo sound. Let me try these out for y'all real quick on Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth mode. Connected. Let me see something. Connected. All right. Let's see how the music plays on here. Play some Zero for y'all. If you're in Houston, you know who Zero is. God damn. Bro, it's like some goddamn speakers, man. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, bro. That's crazy. Y'all hear them? That's wild as hell, bro. These things are loud, like a damn speaker. But yeah. That's the review. I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10, since the Bluetooth, the audio plays so loud. But yeah, these things are like $29.99 on Amazon. I don't know. If you're a gamer and you want some low, if you're just getting into gaming and you want some you want to go to Walmart to get some gaming headphones, I would check on Amazon, man. These things came in 2 days with Prime. Yeah, I would check on Amazon to get those. They $29.99. Good price. So, yeah, I would get them. That's why I got them, because they was low. It was low price, and as you can see, they play loud as hell. I'm probably gonna have to turn them down when I'm gaming though. But yeah, I like those. I like them. Now again, these OZIENO wireless gaming headphones. on Amazon. All right. That was the review. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace.